To check in British Airlines online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to check in British Airways online. In order to do it, so first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, you could either open an app or use a browser. I'm using a browser, so I'm going to type in British Airways check-in. And here, press the first link that appears. After that, you need to make sure to follow this criteria, that is now check in from 24 hours before your flight depart using manage my booking. After which you could print, download or email your boarding pass, and if you lose or forget your boarding pass, you could print it again at the check-in airport as well. So this way you'll be able to do it. So here you could go ahead and type in your booking reference number and then your last name of the passenger and follow the steps. With that being said, we've completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.